Let us all rise. For our Eagle Pledge, and raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, having consciously subscribed to the Constitution and the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and aware of my responsibility to my God and my country, do hereby pledge to promote and defend at all times said Constitution and Magna Carta under ideals to the best of my ability and within my power and capacity. So help me God.
Mga kuya and ate, let's pay attention. This is the highlight of our ceremony tonight. And may I call Kuya JB for the introduction of our dearest speaker.
Magandang gabi sa inyo, mga kuya, mga ate. Kamusta kayo? Is everyone all good, all full?
Yeah.
This guy doesn't need any introduction, to be honest with you. Good golfer, good fodder. A good friend of mine, First Secretary and Consul, Honorable Ryan Jess Baguio. A round of applause, guys.
Thank you, Sir JB. Good evening. Good evening again, and thank you very much once again for extending an invitation for me to join you. I think a big part of your journey, sawa na kayo siguro sa akin. When you had your chartering Bahrain Noble Eagles Club on July 1st, July 1st, 2023. Yeah, so well, let's start the start of the history, because the start of the history of BINEC was before that. Diba, we had consultations on what we planned to do, and eventually we had your chartering, and a year and a half after, nandito na tayo, and you have brought in numbers. So really, I'm happy to be here, and I wish to thank certain people, of course, Gov, the Governor of Bahrain Noble Region, Kuya Emilio Saporna, and also wish to recognize our distinguished guest, Dr. Josinor Pervis, Captain Noel Escalona, and of course our special guest from the Philippines. Auntie, allow me to call you Auntie. Auntie Ellie Saporna de Fiesta. And also the other clubs, starting with the BINEC President, Yomar Penuela, SBNEC President Manuel Ganayo, Muharak, wala dito si Kuya Ray, no? Kuya Ray, and Northern, of course. Kuya Ruben Lakidao, Junior. Pinamiss mo ba ako? Of course, sinadya ko talaga yun. For our Lady Eagle Club, led by Ate Joanne Samporna. So again, congratulations for this event. And I understand na simula pa lang yata yung event natin. I've been listening to all the speeches. Nakilala yung speeches na ako from Doc to Top to Auntie Ellie. So bakit ako ba magsalita? But it's just an honor for me to share a few words with you, because I believe that you have a real purpose. And I'm not here to tell you what is your purpose, because your purpose is to define your purpose. So as long as you have that, as long as you have the same purpose when you started, when you decided to become an Eagle and until now, then I am convinced that you are already successful. So I hope we share this purpose with the embassy, with our Filipino community here in Bahrain, with our country, and with our people. And that is to make our country a little bit better step by step. So each of you and each of your contribution is highly valued and special to each one of us. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang kanila.
Thank you so much, Consul Brian. As what Eagle said, hindi kami matakhan sa imo. And now we will proceed to our awarding ceremonies. Conducted, Kuya Ruben? Kuya Gob and Kuya Ruben. Kuya Gob, please hand over po. This plaque of appreciation is hereby awarded to Eagle Noel B. Escalona in grateful appreciation of their invaluable contribution and support to Bahrain Noble Region Club.
Basahin ko muna, plaque of appreciation is presented to Captain Noel B. Escalona, Philippine Navy. In grateful appreciation of his presence to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, as a guest of honor and speaker, for sharing his valuable time and honoring support during the opening ceremony of Bahrain Noble Regional and Club Officers. Given this 7th day of February 2025 at Arman Hotel, Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed, Eagle Emilio Santana, Regional Governor, Bahrain Noble Region, year 2025. Plaque of appreciation is presented to Elni Samporna de Fiesta, retired as State Auditor, 4th Regional Office 10, in grateful appreciation of his presence to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, and provided as a guest of honor and speaker for sharing their valuable time and unwavering support during the taking ceremony of Bahrain Noble Regional and Club Officers, given this 7th day of February 2025 at Arman Hotel, Jukkal, Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed, Eagle Emilio Repollo Sampona, Regional Governor, Bahrain Noble Region, year 2025. Plaque of appreciation is is presented to Dr. Osino Reynaldo Bilbers, Doctor of Physiotherapy, Ministry of Social Development, Kingdom of Bahrain. In grateful appreciation of his presence to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, as guest of honor and speaker, for sharing his valuable time and unwavering support during the oath-taking ceremony of Bahrain Noble Regional and Club officers. Given this 7th day of Rally 2025 at Arman Hotel, Jubail, Kingdom of Bahrain, signed Emilio Nicolas Samporna, Regional Governor, Bahrain Noble Region, year 2025.
Smile. Smile. People of the world.
Flag of appreciation is presented to Honorable Brian J. Baguio, Philippine Consul to the Kingdom of Bahrain. In grateful appreciation of his presence to the Fraternal Order of Philippine Eagles Incorporated as guest of honor and speaker, for sharing his valuable time and unwavering support during the oath-taking ceremony of Bahrain Noble Regional and Club officers. Given this 7th day of February 2025 at Arman Hotel, Jubail, Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed, yours truly, Engineer Igor Dino Reyes Landipa, Regional Secretary, and Egan Rubin Junior Yaya Lagilao, Regional Vice Governor. Therefore,
And now for the Eagles toast. I think the one who will conduct is Gihubog na Jude. Ay, Gihubog na Jude. Eagle of toast, may icon, my one and only, Kuya Dino Lanipa. Malay mo, tatlo kayo. Malay mo, tatlo kayo. Charot.